Hi, my name's Lynn Ann with Sweet Wildwood Home Buyers. Yes, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about Gerald Norden's program that I absolutely love. I've been with him for a few months. This is all new to me, real estate investing. I know some of you have been doing it for a while. Also, in the last year, I've been with a couple of different organizations that do training programs with real estate investing that cost a lot of money, and they're training you to do marketing. So probably like you, I came across Gerald's video that shows how marketing is not such a great idea and that he has a better way to do it. And I'm seeing that it's true. Gerald Norden, as you saw in the video, he is a former NASA scientist turned real estate investor, and he's really good at it, and he's funny and entertaining. I have to add that. But who do you know that would take science and apply it to real estate? This is really what he has done. He looks at data. He compares all sorts of things that I don't even know how to talk about. But you know what? He has done the thinking for us. He's done the planning for us. And he's put it into a program that trains people not to do marketing, but to create a viable website where you can become number one in your area using Google. And it's brilliant. So as an educator, I look at this and I see all of these modules that there's no fluff in there. It's all beefy. It's all step by step. Okay? A, B, C, D, all lined up for you to partake of. The whole curriculum is written for you. You don't have to come up with these ideas by yourself. Even the website itself has a template that he offers to you, and then you can go in and change it to make it your own. Now, he does work with a team of people, which is fantastic. So you can reach out at any time and ask questions if there's something that you don't understand, and they will connect with you. You can talk on the phone and on video. And also, there's 2 live workshops every week, Tuesday and Thursday. You can have all your questions answered. You can work through things methodically, and they're just excellent with that. I'm very excited to be a part of this, and I have very, very high hopes of driving business to my website and make a lot of money, frankly. Not to be spent on myself so much, but to be able to pour it back out into the community and help others, like working with homelessness and people coming out of trafficking and working with missionaries. That's my personal why for getting involved with this. But Gerald is the man. So check him out. It's great. Thanks.